Back stretch. Rest shins on lower pad and sit down. Put on wrist straps and grab hold of the upper bar. Slowly tip the seat back. Feel the stretch in your lower back. Hold here, relax into the stretch, and breathe deeply. Bring yourself upright and change your grip so your palms are facing upward. Again, slowly tip the seat back. Turn your head side to side to intensify the stretch. Return to center and bring yourself upright. To deepen this stretch, try it with hands crossed over the top bar. Sit hips back into the seat. Lift your head up and rotate slowly side to side. Hamstring stretch. Grab hold of the lower bar and extend leg forward on the footrest. Pull toes back towards your body and hinge at the hips. To deepen the stretch, bring your hands to the upper bar and lower your chest towards the ground. Slowly breathe in and out, allowing a deepening of the stretch each time you exhale. Piriformis stretch. With shins on lower pad, sit down and cross your ankle over your opposite knee. Grab hold of the lower bar and tip the seat back. This stretch should be felt in the glute of the crossed leg. Adductor stretch. Sit on a pad, put wrist straps on, and grab hold of the lower bar. Place feet facing inward on the lower pad and sit back. Drive your knees out and allow your chest to fall forward to deepen the stretch. Take a deep breath in and a big exhale. Lat stretch. Bring right hand across your body and grab hold of the lower bar. Reach your left arm up and over and lean to the right. Rotate your head down to elongate the stretch. Breathe deeply. Quad stretch. Place foot on upper pad and sit knee down. With a neutral spine, slightly lean back to deepen the stretch. Bring arms overhead to lengthen through the spine. Hip flexor stretch. Standing in front of the chair, prop a foot up on the footrest and sit your knee down on the ground. Keep your glutes tight and slightly drive your hips forward. Reach your arm up and across the body to lengthen through the stretch. Avoid arching in the lower back by keeping the abs tight. Take a slight lean back to get a deeper stretch. What feels best for us might not feel best for you. Try different hand positions to see where you feel the stretch the most.